Hi, Hadi. We're going to draw a different vegetable today. It's the capsicum. For the outline, we start drawing a big elliptical shape. As you see, you can draw like me. Then we draw another curved line like this. Another curved line here like this. Then we draw the holder like this. Connect these 2 points here. Alright, so this is the basic shape for the capsicum. We put the dark green color to the border. So it's the dark green color to the border. As you see that capsicum has few segments. Looks like the drawing. Each segment is round in shape. Alright. Let's use the pencils for darkening the color to the border. We fill up the vacancies. Few white colors are left, as you see, while we use the crayon. So few spaces are left white. Like this. So this is the outline. We can put lighter shade like this. So let's fill up the white spaces in between. Also, you can use crayon for this segment too. Okay. Now let's put this green color to form a uniform shape in the drawing. Let's put few strokes with the pencils like this. First, we draw the bottom part little darker. Let's run the shades along like this line. So to the outline, we continue the shading. This outline. We can put the shades like this, little darker at left side and at the bottom, and lighter to the right side and the middle. Alright, so the capsicum, you can see the details on the vegetable is done. We can put few shades on the ground to make the drawing more realistic. So you see all the steps what I have done now. If you follow the steps and do the practice, the drawing is going to be nice. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. If you like, please subscribe the channel. Have a good day.